Hello, lovelies. It's Ada's Recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing today? Today, I share how to make delicious and yummy groundnut cookies, aka peanut cookies. Guys, this is a peanut cookie you want to love to make, and it's easy to come up with. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we have granite here. Then we are going to like crush the granuts. You're going to crush the granite. You can decide to use the granite like that, okay, but you tend to get the feel of the granite when it's crushed. So make sure you crush the granite like so. Guys, you are going to love this peanut cookies recipe, especially for those that have children. It's a snack you can just make for your children in minutes. Like, it was yummy and it was so easy to make. So if you're looking for a snack that is, so easy to make, this peanut or granite cookies is what you want to make. You can bake it on a stove top. You can also bake using your oven. But the bottom line is this granite cookie was so yummy. So make sure you give me your feedback if you made this granite cookies. So as you guys can see, I'm still crushing the granite. Like, I just want to crush it to be well crushed. So this is what we have, guys. So our granite is crushed to an extent, okay? So the next thing you're going to do, okay, is to set that aside, okay? Then, as you guys can see, this is what we have. So sift your flour into a clean dry bowl. Then next you sift your baking powder, add sugar, powdered milk, then you combine. Add margarine and you rub the margarine into the flour. So guys, this is what we have. Then you add the crushed granules or peanuts. Combine everything together. But the next thing you're going to do is to make a hole, then you break in your eggs. Mix, 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 mix. Then you add water, little at a time. You combine. So you continue to mix until you get a dough. So guys, this is how our dough is looking like. As you guys can see. So the next thing to do is to transfer to a flat surface. Then you start molding your cookies. So here you can just use whatever that works well with you. As you guys can see, I'm just using my palm to shape my cookie dough. So if you have a cutter or something you can just go ahead to use that, and you can as well do it this way. This is one of the easiest snack you can make for your family, guys. Just try to, flatten it. Well, not too flat, but at least to an extent. As you guys can see, you can as well place it on the surface instead of, using your two palm. So whichever way that works well with you, just go ahead and do that. So you can also do it this way, like roll it on the flat surface, then you press. Just do whatever that works well with you guys. So as you guys can see, we have our cookie dough already, looking so tantalizing. So guys, our cookie dough is ready to be baked. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And guys, here is our yummy, well-baked cookies. These groundnut cookies was so yummy. This is a cookie you want to try it, guys. Your family will love it. It was so tasty and so nice. For the recipe measurement, check the description below. Hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.